kind of restaurant is this, bruh?
It's a restaurant. They got.
You don't eat ratatouille?
We about to eat.
Bonjour. What is that?
He said something about food.
He been eating. Here's your. See, dog, this what I'm talking about. You saying we at a French restaurant? This motherfucker speak.
Who gives a shit, bruh?
Hand me that menu. What the fuck are these words?
French.
What kind of language is this?
It's
Where's the drinks at?
bottom left.
Boy.
I think it's boys, the drinks.
Oh yeah, lay bars, that's the
I know it's the fucking drinks, bitch. I just said that.
word.
Motherfuckers are
Night.
I'm about to flash on this.
Just give me some damn.
On my life, I will smack the shit out of both of you. So what you about to order?
I'm studying the French real quick.
You can't study it.
Smell like you farted.
Look, when the waiter come back, I'm gonna be like, let me get the...
Big Chungus. We know you're
They don't have.
Big Chungus.
You fucking blind, bro. Look on the menu. Bisque. In English, that translates to television.
You dumbass. That's not a chicken biscuit. That's chicken. It's soup.
Look, I know biscuit when I see it. I'm ordering this shit.
Fuck it, man. Do whatever you want. I'm getting that.
Are y'all dumb shits ready to
The escargots de Bourgogne.
Borgogni? We got a fucking goofster in here.
Goofster.
Whatever the fuck you just... You gon' eat it.
Y'all bullshit you about to order.
Yeah, let me get the, chicken bisque. With no soup. Double biscuit. Extra gluten.
The bisque isn't bread, goofy. They don't have gluten or biscuit.
Quit being stupid.
I can't order the bisque like that. It's a...
Why the fuck you telling me that? Just take out the soup.
I'm not doing shit till you get that order
You
right.
fucking with the main character. Move around.
Alright, you'll get your order, man. Don't even worry about it.
Look, man, I'm gonna need you to...
You ain't got no bread?
I'm playing tag with my money right now.
There's a fucking
And I'm
receipt.
You need to start playing hide and seek and go seek for a damn job.
This motherfucker hating.
Here's the food.
Where? Where's the biscuit? I asked for chicken bisque with gluten. I don't see no motherfucking gluten.
You ain't asked for chicken bisque. You asked for chicken bisque. That's what you got.
Food service.
You know the deal.
KFC's down the road, goofy.
We goofy one more fucking time, bruh.
Goofy motherfucker. Oh,
Bruh,
Yuck.
he got me fucked.
fuck y'all.
Let's get to it. Look, homie. I'm fucking hungry. Hand off the escargot.
Hey, no guns allowed. Read the sign.
Ah, shit.
Where's the manager? Who's responsible for the... My plate?
Right here, look at the menu. You see, you ordered the bisque, and in the description it says
I'm a hype beast dropout, bruh. I can't read.
Weren't you just reading that dictionary, dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never seen a motherfucker about stupid as this. I gotta go back to college or something, man. I'm out. I quit.